If you're anything like me, you're probably freaking out about the state of the Dallas housing market. Will it crash? Is it already crashing? In this video, I'll give you my honest opinion of what's happening in the Dallas real estate market and whether or not you should be worried. Let's go! Hey everyone, I'm AK with the AK Realty Group, and I've got some shocking news about the Dallas real estate market that you're not going to want to miss. Make sure you stick around until the end because this is definitely something you need to know if you're thinking about buying a house in Dallas anytime soon. Towards the end of the video, I'll also tell you my thoughts and strategy for making moves that are helping our clients navigate this insanity, all right? So with the lack of inventory, the Dallas area housing market has been experiencing super tight supply conditions for quite some time now. But things have gotten worse over just a couple of years. The Dallas real estate market has been tight for buyers since inventory levels plummeted in the second half of 2020. But with an increase recently reported, the market may be starting to shift. The number of property listings on realtor.com has been steadily increasing over the past year. In the last year, from May of 2021 to May of 2022, there has been a 34.4% increase in total active listings within Dallas-Fort Worth. What does it mean for the Dallas housing market crashing or not? I'll get to that. I need to give y'all some data first so you can understand it a bit better than just listening to all the hype in the media. There was also an 18% increase over the past year or so with new listings coming onto the scene. Now, for the most recent and latest data, let's talk about this graphic right here. I'll leave it here so you can follow along as we discuss what's going on. In the past 7 days, we've had 3,995 new listings hit the market and 484 listings announcing that they're coming soon. That's great. More inventory equals more choices. 1,877 listings have gone under contract, 2,778 have gone into pending status, and 2,557 homes have closed. That's all amazing. Now here's the part that's concerning. 2,056 sellers have decreased their price in the past 7 days. Price decreases were unheard of in the past 2 years with this insane pandemic-induced market we were in. Did sellers price their homes too high since they're sitting, and then now that they're sitting on the market, they've decided to lower the price? Or did they price it right, but due to higher interest rates, these homes are now out of budget for buyers and buyers are getting priced out? It could be a variety of factors that go into this, okay? Now let's briefly talk about how home sales are getting affected by higher mortgage interest rates. Now, let's say you're looking for a house and your budget was $500,000. Your monthly mortgage at 3.5% interest would be around $2,245. I'm not adding any property tax, insurance, and other costs to this. We're working with simple numbers just to make the point. At 5.5% interest, your mortgage payment for that same house jumps to $2,838. $2,838 per month. That's insane. So guess what? If your monthly budget for your mortgage is still $2,245, now you need to be looking at a home you can purchase for $400,000 instead of $500,000, and your mortgage would still be a little bit higher at $2,271. You've just lost $100,000 in buying power because of a higher interest rate. Comment below if you think that's crazy. There's no way to predict the future, but I can make some pretty educated guesses with my 14 years of experience being involved in the residential real estate market in Dallas. With more people feeling priced out of the market, demand may start to cool down a bit. We can expect to see longer listing periods as the real estate market enters its less insane phase, right? And the typical time on market for homes will likely increase in late 2022 and into 2023. A big question I keep getting is what will happen to home prices as all this happens? Disclaimer time again, before I give y'all my opinion, there's no way for anyone to predict the future of this market. These are just my opinions. Got it? Good. Well, I think home prices within the Dallas real estate market continue to climb, despite a potential slowdown. They might not go up as fast, but I think they'll continue still going up. And here's how to look at this, right? Say for instance, there are 500 people looking for homes when interest rate was 3%. and there were only 50 homes available that met their criteria. Lots of crazy offers and super quick sales. Now, with higher interest rates, 200 people got priced out, and now only 300 of them can afford those homes. Inventory has already also increased, right? And now there are 100 homes instead of 50 for sale that meet their criteria. Guess what? It's still 300 buyers and only 100 homes. The demand is still stronger than the supply. Prices usually don't go down until the supply is more than the demand. It would be a completely different story if there were 100 homes available and only 50 buyers. That's nowhere near what's happening. Make sense? Now, the other big question that I keep getting from clients is, should I buy now or wait because of higher interest rates? Here's the thing about that. Most lenders are expecting interest rates to keep rising the rest of the year. If you buy now and the interest rate goes up, you're in great shape. You got a better rate. If you buy now and interest rates go down, later on, guess what? You can refinance to get a better interest rate. Prices aren't expected to go down. So if you want the interest rates to go back down, guess what? You'll likely pay more for the price of the home if you buy, if you buy later. If you buy now, at least you can enjoy the appreciation of the property value and you can still refinance later if the rates go back down. Either way, I think it's a win, all right? But that's just my opinion. So the next time and believe me, I deal with this a lot. Next time your friends or your family members start going on about the Dallas housing market is crashing and you should wait to buy or sell, feel free to set them straight. The data doesn't lie. The Dallas real estate market is still hot right now and looks like it's gonna stay that way for a while. It may just be getting softer, which is great because nothing can keep going up that exponentially, right? There has to be a little bit of a downturn, a little bit of a correction, but it's not crashing by any means anytime soon in what I see, all right? I could be completely wrong, but again, that's just me putting my 14 years of experience, and I've seen multiple market cycles throughout that time. So this is just what I'm seeing, especially in the North Texas area. So if you're thinking of buying or selling in the near future, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We would be more than happy to help you navigate these waters and find the perfect home or sell your current one for top dollar. Now, hit that like button on this video and watch one of these other videos, all right, about the Dallas real estate market. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, listen to what the mug's saying, all right? And hit the bell for my future videos. I will see you on the next one.